Welcome to Career Campus Pro YouTube channel. My name is Kiran Baburaj. In this video, we will delve into drop table and truncate table commands in PostgreSQL. The drop table command is a powerful feature that allows you to completely remove tables from the database. It should be done with careful consideration since it permanently removes both the structure and all the data contained within. Let's start with the basic syntax of dropping a table. Drop table followed by the table name you want to remove. A safer approach is to add the if exists clause, which prevents the errors if the table doesn't exist. We can also delete multiple tables in a single statement, saving the time and effort. Simply list the table name separated by commas, and this will remove all of them in one operation. Here we are combining both the techniques, dropping tables with if exists clause for maximum safety. Tables often have the relationship with other database object, which can complicate the dropping process. So the cascade option forces the removal of the table along with all the dependent objects like views, triggers and foreign key constraints. Alternatively, the restrict option, which is the default behavior, prevents the table from being dropped if any dependencies exist. This safer approach ensures you don't accidentally break the dependent objects, forcing you to resolve the dependencies before proceeding. The drop table command cannot be undone without a backup, and all the data stored in the table will be permanently lost. And always check for the dependent tables that might reference the table you are planning to drop, and create a full database backup before executing any destructive commands. Next is truncate table. This is a powerful feature that lets you remove all the rows from a table in one swift operation. Unlike delete, which removes rows one by one, truncate wipes the entire table clean in a single efficient operation, making it perfect for situations where you need to quickly clear large amount of data while preserving the table structure. The syntax is truncate table followed by the table name. We can truncate multiple tables with a single command, separating the tables with commas. Notice there is no where clause. The truncate always removes all rows, making it both powerful and potentially dangerous. When comparing the truncate with delete, it is faster and resets auto increment, and it frees the disk space immediately, and it cannot be rolled back. Moving on to some advanced truncate options. The restart identity option resets any auto increment columns back to the starting value. Cascade option truncates any tables that also has the foreign key references. And the restrict option prevents the truncate operation if any table reference the one you are trying to truncate. And this is safer and its default behavior. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.